Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this lovely braid. If you follow me on Instagram, you guys know I do this braid a lot. It's my favorite. It's so easy. It takes under 20 minutes. It's under $10, and yeah, you can do so many different ways with it. This is actually my first time doing like this style. But yeah, so stay tuned if you want to see how I do my braids. And no, I am not a hairstylist of any sort. Okay. Yeah, this is just how I do my braid, and hope you guys like it.
come in cute and come out looking crazy. No, you gotta come out the same way you went in.
So my hair is already washed and dry. Now I'm going to be taking this heat protectant spray and just spraying it throughout my hair, and take my blow dryer and kind of blow my hair straight, not bone straight or anything, but I just want my ponytail to appear sleeker. So now I'm going to add a little bit of oil. It's just like coconut oil for your hair, just to add like a little shine. And I'm going to sleek it back with some gel and just kind of get it ready for like the style that I'm trying to do. So now I'm using Murray's Edge Wax and a little bit of Got2b glue to slick my actual hair down into a ponytail. So now I'm going to take the braiding hair, which my hair bow is already attached to this hair because I've used it before. I'm just going to brush the ponytail out a little bit and make sure it's matching up with my hair. And then I'm going to add the ponytail to my real hair. So this is the reason kind of why I straightened my hair before, so that it can blend in with the braid. Because when I braid my hair, when it's just wet and curly, it doesn't blend well with the ponytail. So this looks a lot better to me. So you're just going to braid the hair all the way down. you're gonna take a little piece of the braiding hair to wrap around the ponytail and basically secure it, and to kind of hide like the hair bow and just the beginning of the braid. I personally use the Got To Be spritz for mine, but I've seen some people do gel. And then after realizing I like to wrap it around like one piece the opposite way of each other. And I realized at the end of this video, because of course I can't see behind, that I wrapped it the same way. And I felt like that's why my knot was kind of like just not staying like I wanted to that night. But usually when you wrap it the opposite way, it will stay in place with spritz or gel. Now, like I said earlier, here's where I had to use this bobby pin, which I usually don't have to because I didn't realize that I had wrapped it the same way when it should have been opposite. So when you do your braid, usually it shouldn't be like that. It should stay perfectly fine if you have gel or spritz. So last steps, I'm using my chi flat iron and I'm just going to straighten my bangs because this is the part of the hairstyle that I wanted to try tonight. So last but not least, I'm gonna add my cheetah scarf so my hair can be super flat and smooth while I get ready. So babes, this is how the braid turned out. Nice and long, super cute. I've actually, like I said before, this is my first time doing like this style, because I usually just do like a slick back and do like a high pony or whatever. But this time, as you can see, like I just actually blew my hair out straight, and so it can just last a little longer and be a little sleeker, because usually I just do it like with my curls. And yeah, it's definitely giving. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like, please make sure you share, comment, subscribe if you're not already subscribed. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video.